Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to EVS subject. Today, I am going to teach you about map. Lesson number 24, map. In this lesson, we will identify the simple map of their locality. So, let's start to understand about map. First, we have to see what is a plane view. Plane view is a drawing of something seen from the above. Suppose if I ask you to draw a cup from a side, you will draw a complete shape of a cup. But if I ask you to draw a cup from the top view, you just draw a circle to show a cup. This is the plane view of a cup or a top view of a cup. Let me just give you another example of a room. If you are inside a room, you can see anything from a side. And when you see the same room from the above, from the top view, you will find everything in that room, but with other shapes. Yes or no? Yes. Now, I am sharing some pictures regarding these views. Now, easily you can find the side view and the plane view of these pictures. Like this, map is also drawn from the above. So, the map is basically a drawing from the above of that area. Yes. Now, what is map, children? Map is a small picture of the whole earth or a place drawn on a flat surface or a small piece of paper. So, on the piece of paper, the whole structure of the earth is drawn on it. Okay? Okay. In the map, you can find the keys in the corner of the map or a side of the map. Map keys tells you what the drawing are, what the map is about. And in the key, you find different symbols. Every symbols have some meanings and every symbols represent a different thing in the map because we cannot find things in the map clearly. So with these symbols we can easily find out the things or we can easily find out what they represent in the map. And they use different colors to show the things. Okay. Like for water, they use blue color, and to show forest and trees and all, they use green color. And for showing the land, they will use brown color. Okay. So symbols show you different things with different color on a map. For example, land, water, mountains, forest, small town, cities, rivers, hospital, police station, fire station, park, road. These all are the map keys. These are the symbols they use on a map. Now, what are the uses of a map? Yes, the map shows the picture of any place. It shows different features such as rivers and lakes, forest, buildings, road, etc. They also show the boundaries of a place. They show the distance between two places. Okay. Now open the page number 188. Observe the picture given below. Ramesh has drawn a sketch of his classroom. Observe. So this is the map of Ramesh's classroom and he given the keys, map keys or index. So with the help of this, you fill these gaps. Okay. Turn the page number 189. Ramesh has marked his place on the second bench, which is on the right side. Now look at the picture and fill in the blanks with correct answers. See the index for help. Now first one. Door of Ramesh's classroom is situated in dash direction. So answer is northeast. Second one, the girl who is sitting in the first row on the right side of Ramesh is Riaz. Next, third one, there is a dash between the blackboard and the table. Teacher's chair. Next, fourth one, the thing which is situated in the northeast direction of the classroom is dustbin. Next, Disha is sitting on dash bench on the right side of Riaz. The answer is fifth bench. So draw a simple map of your classroom as Ramesh has done by marking the position of things situated in the classroom. Use symbols for the things. Okay. You have to know this. A small sketch of a place which gives the picture of the shape of the place. Border, features like rivers, hills, roads and buildings. The position and distance between them is called a map. The vast area can be represented on a small piece of paper. You have seen a globe, haven't you? It can be represented in flat on a piece of paper. It is also a map. The entire earth can be grasped at a glance into it. There is an activity, a model map of a small village has been given here. Write the symbol and details related to the picture in the index with the help of your teachers or elders. So you can write it here, one side symbols and details of the symbols. So complete this activity, children. Next, match the following. So you can match the symbols with their details. So complete this activity, children. Thank you.